It's impossible to predict nature. Nature is the most unpredictable thing. So bhaiya, there are certain things which can come like this, where you might not be knowing the answer, it will confuse you. Still, if you want, I will give some concept for it. But still, what's the answer do you think? Yes, the answer will be SiCl6 2- does not exist. Why? Understand. Out of tin, silicon, and germanium, silicon is the smallest one. We know whenever 5, 6, 7 elements are coming around a central atom, steric hindrance will be there. One silicon in the middle, if 6 people will come around it, so some crowding will be there. True. And obviously, if the atom in the middle will be small, this crowding will be more. So firstly identify, many atoms are there, so steric hindrance is the drama going on. And here we have tin, silicon, germanium. So silicon we can say is the smallest one. Also, OH is not that much big. Big ones are chlorine, not fluorine, not OH. Whether tin is big or small does not matter now. Fluorine and OH are not very big, so they can adjust. Chlorine is the problem only. Silicon or germanium, out of these two, top to bottom, germanium is bigger. He can still adjust chlorine, silicon cannot adjust. If you are going conceptually, you should be conceptually very strong like this, or my suggestion would be read NCERT. NCERT is directly giving all these examples there. If you know the example, solved example properly, why you will get confused here?